Hi guys, and welcome to this week's episode of Miss Planet. Before we get started, I want to remind you that our new website is up and moving, and can I tell you, it's been a baby project for me, and I'm so excited to share it with you. So if you haven't checked out our new website, head on over to missplanet.com where you can get written, picture, video instructions of our projects and so much more. Also, there's a free resource library there for you. Yes, I said free. And right now we have our wedding planner on the resource library that you can download and use to help you plan the wedding of your dreams. So this week we have a request from a community member, and her name is Dawn, and she writes, "Hi Miss Planet." Hi Dawn. "For starters, I love watching your videos, and I know they are so helpful to many of us out here making magic on a budget." Oh, Dawn, that's so sweet. I sure hope they are. "My best friend is getting married in a few months. See, and I am doing everything for her." Wow, you are a great friend. "Which means I need your help. I found this bouquet and she loves it. The problem is I need to figure out how to make it. I would be so grateful if you were able to help me figure this out. Thank you so much, Dawn." Well, Dawn, I'm going to help you figure this out, and I'm going to give you all the links to all the supplies you need to create it. This kind of bouquet typically would run easily $150, but we're going to make it for $60. So let's get started with this week's episode, Ivory Rose Cascading Bridal Bouquet. All right, y'all, let's go. To create our base for our bouquet, we're going to use our straight handle bouquet holder as well as a styrofoam cone. We're going to trim the cone down so that it fits nice and snug into our handle. Now, for extra support, you can always add a touch of hot glue at the bottom of the cone as you insert it, as well as a touch of hot glue around the rim where the two pieces meet. Our next step is to attach our organza floral bouquet collar. Now this step is optional, but I like to do it because it finishes off the back side of your bouquet. For the orchid stems, I'm going to attach one dead center, but then I'm going to attach the other one offset because we want our cascade to flow to one side. So when you carry your bouquet, the cascading orchids kind of hang over the carrying arm, just like in our inspiration picture. Well, here it is. Dawn, what do you think? How did we do? It is absolutely stunning. I love the depth that the different two-tone roses gives it, the ivory versus the antique. I just love how it looks. And the lilies of the valley just touch it off, and it gives it such a delicate, soft, natural look. Well, Dawn, I hope your friend likes it as much as we do. If you like this video, by all means like us, subscribe so you can be the first to know when our videos are posted, as well as if you have a comment or a question, leave it right down in the comment section. I, Miss Planet, answer all of them myself. Now, I will tell you that it does take me some time. My schedule, guys, you could not imagine how insane my schedule has gotten. But take heed, because we have an amazing DIY community, and if I can't get to your questions right away, trust me, they will. But I do answer them, so please leave them in the comments or just support. We can all use support, even me, guys, right there in below our description in the comment section. If you have not already signed up for your Rakuten account, I don't know what you're waiting for. This is definitely wedding season, and it's probably the biggest wedding season we've had in quite some time since we're now out of COVID. So head on over to our description, click on the link, sign up for your account. When you're ready to shop, sign on to your account, find your qualifying vendors, and receive a check at the end of the month for your shopping efforts. It's really that simple. Well, our time has come to an end. It always goes by so fast. I first want to thank you for taking the time to hang out with me. I know you have so many options here on YouTube, and so I don't take it lightly that you're spending this time with the Miss Planet crew. So appreciate it. And don't forget to head on over to our newly done website. I'm so excited about it. Can't you tell? MissPlanet.com. Head on over to the description and click on the link, or click right here in the corner on that little button in the corner, and it will take you right to the website where you can get not only pictures, written instruction of most of our projects, but you can also get cost saving tips that we just frankly don't have enough time to share with you on our video blog. So head on over to MissPlanet.com, check it out, tell me what you think. I love it. I hope you love it. And don't forget that free resource library, and we have that awesome wedding planning guide for free that you can download right there for you. So head on over. Well, guys, until next time, always remember, when every penny counts, you can count on Miss Planet. Please take care of yourself. We'll see you soon. God bless.